Welcome to this video, where we will be discussing how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the real estate or property industry. With the help of AI algorithms and machine learning models, property valuation, risk assessment, portfolio optimization, and property management have become faster, more efficient, and accurate than ever before. AI tools have also enabled due diligence, automated leasing funnels, identified likely to sell opportunities, enabled AI-generated smart contracts, verified identities to prevent fraud, and bolstered marketing output without increasing budgets. In this video, we will explore how these AI-powered solutions are transforming the real estate industry. 1. Property valuation. The first AI-powered technique we will discuss is property valuation. Valuing a property accurately is essential for making profitable real estate investments. AI algorithms and machine learning models can help you achieve this accurately and efficiently. Predictive analytics, trend analysis, and market comparison are some of the techniques used by AI algorithms to determine the value of a property. These algorithms can analyze large amounts of data, including historical sales data, property features, and market trends, to estimate the property's current market value. By using AI-powered property valuation tools, you can save time and reduce the risk of human errors. These tools can provide you with a more accurate property valuation in real time, helping you make informed investment decisions. 2. Risk assessment. The second AI-powered technique we will discuss is risk assessment. Investing in real estate comes with various risks, and identifying them can be challenging. However, AI tools can help you assess the risks associated with a property investment, helping you make informed investment decisions. AI algorithms can analyze location-based data, identify potential property damage, and predict potential future risks, such as natural disasters or economic downturns. By using these tools, you can identify potential risks and take appropriate measures to mitigate them. AI-powered risk assessment tools can provide you with real-time insights into potential risks, helping you make informed investment decisions. By identifying potential risks, you can reduce your exposure to risk and increase your chances of making profitable real estate investments. 3. Portfolio optimization. The third AI-powered technique we will discuss is portfolio optimization. Optimizing your investment portfolio is crucial for maximizing your returns and minimizing your risks. AI tools can help you achieve this by identifying high-performing assets, rebalancing portfolios, and diversifying investments. Machine learning models can identify high-performing assets by analyzing historical data, market trends, and other relevant factors. These models can help you identify the best investments, reducing the risk of investing in underperforming assets. Rebalancing portfolios is another essential aspect of portfolio optimization. AI tools can help you rebalance your portfolio based on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. This can help you maximize your returns while reducing your exposure to risk. Finally, leveraging market data to determine rental pricing is another way AI can optimize your portfolio. AI algorithms can analyze market data and determine the optimal rental price for a property based on demand, supply, and other factors. By using these tools, you can maximize your rental income and increase your returns. 4. Due diligence. Due diligence is the process of assessing property investment opportunities to determine if they are viable investments. It involves analyzing historical data, financial modeling, and property inspections. AI-powered due diligence tools can help you assess investment opportunities more efficiently and accurately. These tools can analyze large amounts of data and provide insights into the potential risks and returns of a property investment. By using AI-powered due diligence tools, you can save time and reduce the risk of human errors. These tools can provide you with real-time insights into investment opportunities, helping you make informed investment decisions. 5. Property management. Property management can be a time-consuming and challenging task. However, AI software can help streamline property management processes, making it easier for you to manage your properties efficiently. AI software can assist with rent collection, maintenance scheduling, and tenant screening. For example, AI-powered software can analyze tenant applications and provide insights into potential tenant risks, reducing the risk of renting to unreliable tenants. AI software can also help with maintenance scheduling by identifying maintenance issues before they become significant problems. This can help you save time and money on costly repairs. By using AI-powered property management tools, you can streamline your property management processes, saving time and reducing the risk of human errors. 6. Streamlining mortgages and refinancing through data analysis. The sixth AI-powered technique we will discuss is streamlining mortgages and refinancing through data analysis. Obtaining a mortgage or refinancing your existing mortgage can be a complex process. However, AI tools can help simplify this process by analyzing data and providing insights into the best mortgage or refinancing options for you. AI tools can analyze data on interest rates, loan terms, and other relevant factors to determine the best mortgage or refinancing option for you. By using these tools, you can save time and money on the mortgage or refinancing process. AI tools can also help you understand the potential risks and returns of different mortgage or refinancing options, helping you make informed decisions. 7. Automating the leasing funnel. The seventh AI-powered technique we will discuss is automating the leasing funnel. The leasing funnel is the process of converting leads into tenants. This process can be time-consuming and challenging. However, AI tools can help automate this process, making it easier for you to find and convert leads into tenants. AI-powered tools can assist with lead generation, lead scoring, and lead nurturing. These tools can analyze data on potential tenants and provide insights into their likelihood of becoming tenants. By using these tools, you can save time and resources on lead generation and conversion. AI-powered tools can also help with lease management by automating lease renewals, rent collection, and tenant communication. This can help you streamline your leasing processes and reduce the risk of human errors. 8. Identifying likely to sell opportunities. The AI-powered technique we will discuss is identifying likely to sell opportunities. Identifying properties that are likely to be sold can help you make informed investment decisions and increase your chances of finding a good investment opportunity. AI tools can analyze data on property listings, historical sales data, and other relevant factors to determine which properties are likely to be sold. By using these tools, you can save time on property research and increase your chances of finding a good investment opportunity. AI tools can also provide insights into the potential risks and returns of investing in a particular property, helping you make informed investment decisions. 9. Enabling AI-generated smart contracts. Another AI-powered technique we will discuss is enabling AI-generated smart contracts. Smart contracts are digital contracts that are self-executing and enforceable. They can be used to automate real estate transactions, reducing the need for intermediaries and increasing transparency. AI-powered smart contracts can analyze data on property transactions and generate contracts that are tailored to the specific transaction. These contracts can be self-executing and enforceable, reducing the risk of human errors and fraud. By using AI-generated smart contracts, you can save time and resources on legal fees and increase transparency in real estate transactions. 10. Verifying identities to prevent fraud. Identity verification is critical in the real estate industry, where fraudulent activities such as identity theft and property fraud are prevalent. AI tools can help prevent these fraudulent activities by verifying the identities of buyers and sellers. AI-powered identity verification tools can analyze data from multiple sources, including government databases, social media, and biometric data to verify the identity of individuals. These tools can provide real-time verification, reducing the risk of fraudulent activities. By using AI-powered identity verification tools, you can reduce the risk of identity theft and property fraud, which can have a significant impact on your real estate investments. 11. Bolstering your marketing output without increasing budget. Last but not least, we will discuss is bolstering your marketing output without increasing your budget. Marketing is critical in the real estate industry, where competition is high. However, increasing your marketing budget may not always be feasible. AI tools can help you maximize your marketing efforts without increasing your budget. AI-powered marketing tools can analyze data on buyer behavior, market trends, and competitor activities to provide insights into the most effective marketing strategies. These tools can assist with personalized marketing campaigns, content creation, and social media marketing. By using AI-powered marketing tools, you can save time and resources on marketing efforts and increase your chances of reaching potential buyers. AI has proven to be a game changer for the real estate industry, enabling property investors and managers to make data-driven decisions that were previously impossible. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking solutions that will make real estate investment and management more accessible, efficient, and profitable for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Please smash the like button,